voice. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, your ladies in the house tonight. Yeah. Need to talk to a special girl right now. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, that's why I wanna talk to you, girl. 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 I see you been eyeing me for a while. I can see you been liking my style. Come on, girl, come chill with me for a while, and you can see what a type of brother I am. Who's gonna treat you right? Me and you is going some places with your attitude. You never root to me. In 2 weeks, you're saying that you miss me and I'm missing you. I'm like, bro, what I mean without you? And then you say, forever, me and you. This is a classic moment. You my only woman. Who said that gangsta and thugs can fall in love? You my main girl. I think I'm in love. Yeah. 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 That's why I wanna talk to you, girl. Yeah. Yeah. That's why I wanna talk to you, girl. Yeah. Yeah. That's why I wanna talk to you, girl. Yeah. Yeah. That's why I wanna talk to you, girl. We both went through the same thing. That's why I'm comfortable of telling you everything. You tell me in a way the same thing. We both soldiers of the same struggle. I'm feeling for you like a crackhead. I need you. You don't like me because I rap or carry a gat. You like me because I don't hold back the feelings I have for you. That's why I like talking to you. I love your touch, I love your lips, I love your hips, I love kissing you. I don't know where I'd be without you. I can't do this rap thing without you. Yeah, yeah. That's why I wanna talk to you, girl. That's why I wanna talk to you, girl. Yeah, yeah. That's why I wanna talk to you, girl. Yeah, yeah. That's why I wanna talk to you, girl. It's been 2 years. I'm still feeling you, you feeling me. It was like we were meant to be. I done came up. CD's about to drop. I love it still. What's up? You trust me and I trust you. I try hard to hurt you. You my lady, you never acting shady. Even though we get mad sometimes, we make up all the time. I love how you call me Rob the Don while we getting it on. I love how your jeans look, paint it on. You're driving me crazy. You could be the girl that's gonna have my baby. Yeah. That's why I wanna talk to you, girl. Yeah. Yeah. That's why I wanna talk to you, girl. Yeah. Yeah. That's why I wanna talk to you, girl. Yeah, yeah, that's why I wanna talk to you, girl. Yeah, yeah, that's why I wanna talk to you, girl. Come holler at a player, yeah. That's why I wanna talk to you, girl. Come on, let's talk to me tonight. To the end of the night, let's do it.